today we're going to sandblast a wagon 8-wheeler tub. It's only the back bit that's getting done today, so we're removing paint and some rust and some stickers and stuff, bits of grease or whatever. We're prepping it for paint, so we're taking everything off it back to bare metal, and we're going to do that by sandblasting it. Hopefully, shelter that he's got for us is, well, I'm hoping that it's going to be good enough, because we're going through a bit of a storm here in the UK at the minute. It's been a bit of a write-off this week with weather, so all my jobs are up in air. I can't put mounting because some jobs need to be done outside, out of being in shelter and stuff. So basically we're stuck on knowing where we can take something. So this guy, instead of doing it in his lock-up, his unit, where he can do it outside and he's got plenty of room and land and whatever, it's got us some shelter. So we've got permission to blast there, and we're hoping that it's going to be good enough, and we'll see when we get there. So I'll snip back in a minute when we get to it, so we can have a look, and I can have a walk through job way and show you what needs doing. So that's what we're on with now. And this is what we've got to do today. We're sandblasting this. I'm going to prep this tub for a repaint. Get shut all these scabs and rusty bits. Take it back to bare metal. There will be like shadowing where it's been, but it'll be neutralised and it'll be back to metal. We're doing just about 2 inch underneath, just on lip, and then a bit on backlight, and then other side same. We're not blessed with weather, we're going through a storm at the minute, so he's managed to find me some shelter, and to be fair, it's perfect for it. So right, let's make a start. There's a lot of metal scale under this one. I'm going to come back to them areas. Like I say, I've got run media in to start with, so I don't want to be finding this grade under there and risk hitting different stuff. Stuff I don't want to hit. I'm just going to be a bit steady here as well. I'll come back to this area when I've got timing.
Let's go, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get
medium hard way. The reason I clear pot out like that, it's so that obviously when you're going down a grade, you close it grit up, you close it valve up so that them big pieces are going to lodge. Whereas now I'm going to have to close it down a little bit, but we'll see for it. Get on with it.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health all this confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Okay, I'm just getting a bit of damp air and it's clogging my mid air up a little bit, so I'm just going to crank it up a little bit just to try and pick some speed up a bit. Okay, I've only cranked it up a little bit, so we'll just have to see what happens. I don't want it to clear cloggage up and then loads of media come out, so just give it a little bit.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the sun, heavenly, she's so bad. She made the bread, the gas in the back of the sun, heavenly, she's so bad. She made the bread, the gas in the back of the sun, heavenly, she's so bad. She made the bread, the gas in the back of the sun, heavenly, she's so bad. She made the bread,
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
the gas in the back of the sun, heavenly, she's so bad. She made the bread, the gas in the back of the sun, heavenly, she's so bad. She made the bread, the gas in the back of the sun, heavenly, she's so bad. She made the bread, the gas.
Okay, that's it. Done. Looking ready for paint now. Got that no scale still on it, but if that was supposed to come off, why is it on now? Why is it on when I get to it? So I know there's going to be some comments about it, but what am I supposed to do? I can get it off, but then it just doubles his price. I don't think he's interested in that. I just wanted it to look tidy. So that's what he's got. once it's painted. You can get effort of filling these in to get it all smooth, but is it really worth it? I don't know. You will decide. Let me know in comments. Right, catch you next time.